Focalin XR is a medication used to treat attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD. It works by changing the levels of certain natural substances in the brain. It belongs to a class of drugs called stimulants. Focalin XR can help increase your ability to pay attention, stay focused on an activity, and control behavior problems. It may also help with organizing tasks and improving listening skills. Before starting to take Focalin XR, make sure to read the medication guide given by your pharmacist. Take it by mouth once daily in the morning, with or without food. The dosage will be based on your medical condition and response to treatment, so follow your doctor's instructions. Don't suddenly stop using this drug without consulting your doctor, as it may cause withdrawal symptoms. Also, do not break, crush, or chew the medication. Swallow the capsules whole, and if you have trouble swallowing, you can sprinkle the contents on a spoonful of cool applesauce. Take it at the same time each day to get the most benefit from it. If you have a substance use disorder, take this medication exactly as prescribed to lower the risk of addiction. And make sure to tell your doctor if your condition does not improve or worsens. Some common side effects of Focalin XR can include trouble sleeping, nervousness, dizziness, dry mouth, heartburn, nausea, stomach pain, headache, loss of appetite, or weight loss. If any of these effects persist or worsen, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know. Remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Focalin XR may also raise your blood pressure, so it's important to monitor it regularly and inform your doctor of any high results. Be sure to contact your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as changes in blood flow to the fingers or toes, fast or irregular heartbeat, mood changes, uncontrolled muscle movements, or vision changes. Seek medical help immediately if you experience very serious side effects like fainting, seizure, symptoms of a heart attack, or symptoms of a stroke. Rarely, males may experience a painful or prolonged erection while using this medication, in which case medical help should be sought immediately. While allergic reactions to this drug are rare, it's important to seek medical help if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you are in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA, and if you are in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. Using dexmethylphenidate in a way other than prescribed can lead to serious heart and blood pressure issues, even fatal ones. This medication has the potential to be habit-forming, so it's important to use it carefully, especially if you have a history of mental health issues or substance abuse. Make sure to follow your doctor's instructions and not to increase your dose or use it more often than recommended. After stopping the medication, your doctor may monitor you for a while, especially if you have been taking it for a long time or in high doses. Before taking Focalin XR, it's important to let your doctor or pharmacist know if you have any allergies to dexmethylphenidate or methylphenidate, or if you have any other allergies. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other problems, so it's important to talk to your pharmacist for more details. It's also important to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have high blood pressure, blood circulation problems, glaucoma, heart problems, a family history of heart problems, mental/mood conditions, a personal or family history of mental/mood disorders, overactive thyroid, or a seizure disorder. This medication may cause dizziness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase this effect. It's important not to drive, use machinery, or do anything that requires alertness until you can do it safely. Limiting alcoholic beverages and discussing marijuana use with your doctor is also important. Before undergoing surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If this medication is used for a long time, it may affect a child's growth rate, weight, and final adult height, so the doctor may recommend briefly stopping the medication from time to time. It's important to regularly check the child's weight and height, and consult with your doctor or pharmacist for more details. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially trouble sleeping, weight loss, or chest pain. During pregnancy, this medication should only be used when clearly needed, and it's important to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. This drug also passes into breast milk, so it's important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware that Focalin XR can interact with other medications, which may change how they work or increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Avoid taking MAO inhibitors with this medication, as it may cause a serious and possibly fatal drug interaction. Also, do not use medications containing methylphenidate while using Focalin XR. And be sure to let your lab personnel and doctors know that you are taking this drug, as it may interfere with certain medical tests. If someone has taken too much Focalin XR and has serious symptoms like passing out or trouble breathing, call 911. Otherwise, call a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, you can call a provincial poison control center. Symptoms of overdose may include vomiting, agitation, confusion, sweating, flushing, muscle twitching, hallucinations, seizures, and loss of consciousness. It's important not to share Focalin XR with anyone else, as it is illegal. Your doctor may also want to do some medical tests while you are taking this medication, such as checking your blood pressure, doing a complete blood count, or monitoring the height and weight of children. Make sure to attend all of your medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more information. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. But if it's almost bedtime or time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take the next one at your usual time. Don't take double the dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Focalin XR at room temperature and away from light and moisture. Avoid storing it in the bathroom, and always keep it out of reach of children and pets. When it comes time to dispose of the medication, don't flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed to do so. Instead, properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed by consulting your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.